Hey guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we'll take another look into the charts, and yesterday when I uploaded my video, I published it, and a few minutes after Jay Powell went live, and what he basically said was, we want more inflation, let's pump this stuff. And that's exactly what happened. Gold pumped immensely, the Nasdaq popped immensely, the dollar went down, inflation like he wanted it. And the Nasdaq popped up as well. Right now we see everything die off. Gold, Nasdaq top 100, S&P 500, and I mean it's really about this level over here. If the Dixie gets above 92 over here, stuff is looking bad. And I mean I do not like the Nasdaq this week. Yeah. We can see it perfectly over here, you know. This is where Powell gave the speech, immediate dump. And right now we're doing either a bearish retest of, let's say, this trend line, I would say. And what we absolutely do not want to happen is get above that level, 92. Other than that, you know, we want the dollar to go down. Just like a G Powell. Bitcoin, I mean, this is where he gave the speech. I mean, you can see it, you know, immediate pump, very rapidly, very fast. Today we consolidated quite a lot. I mean, so bears, you know, we're hoping, I would say bears who short over here, we're hoping for a retest of this level over here. They didn't get it, as you can see. They got front ran, and then we had another push, possibly run a lot of stops of shorts above 60k, and yeah, dying off right now. I mean, this is a level to watch again, because this level plays a role over here, plays a role over here a little bit, as you can see, and over here plays the role as well. So right now Bitcoin is at an important spot. Let's zoom out a little bit more, because we can see, you know, the level, exact level over here plays a spot as well. So right now, very important support. But what else do we see? Well, after this nuke over here on Sunday night for me, or Monday morning, sorry, we saw fundings came down completely, you know, over here. Discounts as well. Here a little bit positive again, you know. And then we tapped resistance over here, and then went down again. Fundings completely low. And then G Powell to the rescue over here, pumping it up. But the thing is, you know, fundings followed exactly over here at the top. You can see the last push was basically, you know, just derivatives pushing it. And premiums, yeah, ran up a lot. So, I mean, yeah, it's not really what we want to see. Liquidity for now, again, is to the downside. Doesn't mean we have to go to the downside. We can have spot buying, other things going on, good news. But spot buying is all we need. We need more Teslas to buy spot. For now, I'm a little bit bearish for the rest of today, basically. Tomorrow, everything can change. If everybody's short right now, you know, yeah, we might go back up. Right now, however, while I'm making this video, I see a lot of liquidations happen, so this might be a little bottom for now. I mean, on a larger time frame, we can see clearly this pattern. This is the daily pattern. We tapped support today on these daily closes over here. Very important spot for Bitcoin. We made a lower high over here. And what we basically want to do now is making a higher high on a daily close or a 4 hour. Those are the two most important time frames for me. 4 hour because it always includes a funding period. Anyway, we want to keep this bottom line. And I think, you know, if you're bullish, this top line is your target. That is your target where you want us to go. If you're bearish, you know, you want this bottom line to break, and I know for a fact none of my viewers want that. Right, guys? Let me know in the comments. Ethereum not looking that bad. Has this level over here, 1725. is a really big level for Ethereum over here on the daily. You can see it very clearly. Level to break now, this one. Right around, yeah, $1,900. On a smaller time frame, you know, you could see this trend line over here. That's what you want to stay above. Nice little short run over here, but it's not looking that bad. Higher lows, but we want to keep those higher lows. Thing of concern right now is a head and shoulders over here. That is something we do not want. And that would mean downside. That is something we really do not want. Taking a look at TRX, I know some of my favorite viewers, or one of my favorite viewers, is invested in it, so that's why we take a look at it. I mean, it's hard to draw, but I would go for something like this. I do not like it that much, to be honest. It's a hard chart. I mean, it doesn't look bad, you know, but it's not looking really clear to me. We do see higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. But it's not so clean to me. If you guys don't agree, you know, let me know in the comments if I'm doing a very bad job. I mean, it's not looking that bad. Making a little bull flag over here, but it's just, I'm used to trade myself. Like, I trade very hard on Bitcoin. Whole day, every day. Bitcoin, 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 just Bitcoin. And you know, like, liquidity is a lot higher on Bitcoin. And they use leverage on Bitcoin. So that's a lot easier, I would say. A lot easier to trade. Badger, not looking that bad over here. We can see clearly, this trend line over here. Comes down to this. A little bit of a fake out over here, but I mean, it is getting tight. You can see it with your own eyes, you know, this is getting tight. Something like this, I would say. And then you have some horizontals. This level, extremely important over here with these lows. Extremely important. What do we see for the top over here? I would say this is a level Badger now needs to break. If it breaks that, you know, I can see like Badger will go to new all-time highs. Or at least go to their all-time high. This coin is so undervalued. I've said it a couple times already, but Badger has twice the amount in their treasury than their market cap. So the boys are rich, you know, like they have a lot of money. So they're at least worth their treasury, I would say. Here we can see on the 4 hour a rising wedge on Zilliqa. Also one of my viewers' favorites. Can we connect this one? No, not really this one. Yeah. I mean, this is where it's all about for Zilliqa. You can see this is a big move. A little bit of a smaller move, a little bit of a smaller move, and now a small move. So we can clearly see it's consolidating while we're going up, you know. The moves get smaller, I mean, that is not something you like, so you know there is a big move coming again. So this is an important level over here. And now right here, I would say this should be support if you zoom in a little bit. These stops over here should act as support. If this one breaks, you know, get out. Especially if they make a lower low, this one breaks, you know, you get out. Other than that, you know, looks good. If they break this top line over here, yeah, you're gonna be very happy. It's not looking that bad. I do not know anything about the fundamentals. So if you guys wanna talk about fundamentals in the comments, you know, like, be my guest. Always fun to interact. USDT. I mean, this is basically what we're seeing. But they're making a higher low over here. I would see something like this. Something like that. That is what I'm seeing for .USDT. I would say this high, the all-time high, and this high. Like if they break one of those, you know, you long it. This is support. If they break support, you know, you get out. It's basically 32, you get out. They break, let's say 39, you long. Other than that, you know, I mean, I would stay long, like flat, no leverage, maybe not even buy it. If they break either one of those, you know, you buy hard. If you want to trade it, you know, there are sign-up links for exchanges in my video description. I prefer FTX and Bybit myself. Take a look at the fundings. You know, we just saw it in the other chart. Fundings are running up, and that is not exactly what we want. I will stay sidelined for a little bit. Other line you could see right now is this one, maybe very steep, but something to take in mind. Support, break this, you know, and yeah, this one is next. I would say these levels, you know, and we're going back down. Long and short ratios. Many people are long at the moment, so yeah, a lot of liquidity to the downside. Be careful a little bit. It's updating. More shorts right now, but fundings are still high, so yeah, it is something to keep in mind. When fundings are this high, it usually corrects. So guys, if you have any questions, want something like, yeah, anything, let me know in the comments. See you guys again tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and yeah, like I said, see you guys tomorrow. Happy trading.